Hey, what's going on? Today is the last day of our first chess camp for the summer. We are here at this storage shed where I keep all of my chess sets that we give away to the kids. We just came from the other storage that has all the prizes and a lot of my other supplies. But yeah, you check these boxes out right here. Might be a little dark, but these are the boxes. They come in and I think we have 700 right now. They just came in from China, so I didn't get affected by the tariffs yet. But you guys seen these chess sets before. These are the chess sets that we're giving away today, along with many other prizes. So yeah, we are running a little late, but stay tuned and we'll see you at the chess camp. Hey, today is the last day of the chess camp. So we're gonna do some things a little different. We're not having snack today, okay? At 10 o'clock, you know how we usually go to snack? Now, today we're gonna go to recess and we're gonna play for like 30 minutes or something or more. And when you come back, we're gonna have a pizza party. And then you can choose your snacks also, like your chips or cookies and your drink. And then the secret ice cream party. All right.
All right, so we learned pins, forks, skewers, right? Do you guys have any questions on those? Because you have to get out a check before you put another king in check. So first priority, top priority, is to get out a check.
Check. King is in danger. Does the king ever get captured? No, the king simply says, spare my life, take my kingdom, everything I have is yours.
On your mark. And if a piece falls on the ground, your table's out. Get set. Pizza! Raise your hands so I know that you're ready. Alright. Raise your hands so I know that you're ready. So close by 1 second. Do not wander off. Stay in the zone where we can see you. Please climb the tree. And it's the last day, so make sure you have a lot of fun. You have sport. And you may go.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Hey, how's it going, guys? We're here at Richardson Middle School. It's the last day of chess, the chess camp. We are just at recess right now. We're playing, the kids are playing basketball, they're playing with the Rockets, they're playing soccer, some are playing handball, and we will be going back to the cafeteria for our pizza party. The pizza's coming at 11 o'clock, and then we also have the award ceremony for the trophies and medals. Plus, we're having an ice cream party that I'm doing for them because they did such a great job this week. Stay tuned and we'll see you guys at the pizza party.
She was in the commercial I saw. Oh, she got 8 points. How'd you get 5? Him. She got him. How'd you get 5? I love chess too. I know I got 2 points. I have no idea how much points I got. How much games did you win? I think I won like 7. My favorite. Well, my favorite part is actually playing chess and playing soccer.
Hey, how you guys doing? So how do you like the chess club?
It's amazing. I had a lot of fun. I would do it again if I wasn't moving.
Oh, really? Where are you moving to? Oh, you're moving to Riverside.
Riverside,
oh,
yeah.
Man. Maybe we'll do some chess camps out there.
Ooh.
What do you think about the chess camp?
It was really fun. I really like this party.
That's great. You guys enjoying the pizza?
Yeah.
Oh man, we have soda here. Don't tell the parents even though it's going to be on YouTube. You guys enjoying your ice cream? You probably have about 4 or 5 minutes, and we're gonna grab our prizes, okay? Now, hey, you guys, when you get your prizes, you either get, you get 2 prizes. Either a chess set, it counts as a prize, a chess set and a other prize, or some of you already have a chess set because you were in our chess club. You can get 2 prizes, no chess set. Okay, if you haven't been in our chess camp or you've never been in our chess programs, you got to get a chess set. It's amazing. It's an actual magnetic chess set. Okay, or you can get, if you got a chess set already, you can get another one. Okay, you probably have like 90, don't you?
We're going to be giving out medals and trophies. Okay, when I call your name up here, I want everyone to give them a round of applause. Hey, so for 5th place, we actually had a 3-way tie. We played a Swiss tournament, very official kind of tournament. First up, we have Logan. Nice, good job. Hero. Nice. All right, we got trophies now. 4th place. This player got 5.5 points out of 8. We have Aiden Collins.
All right, Aiden.
All right, guys, hey, let's get a drum roll for this one. Third with 6 out of 8, we have Audrey. Nice. Second, drum roll. Anthony. And for first, drum roll. For first. Luke Foley with 8 out of 8. Perfect score.
Luke Foley.
All right.
Go ahead, stand over there.
Hope to see you guys again, okay? Please sit there. Bye, see ya.
All right, that's a wrap. Today was the last day of the first Summer Chess Camp 2025. We're here at Richardson Middle School in Torrance, California. We had a great time. The kids had a blast. We had a pizza party, ice cream party. We had a chess tournament, a Swiss tournament for the 3rd grade and up. So it was great. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next camp or school program that we do. And we'll see you next time. Peace.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.